Minano Nihongo Vocabs Lesson 2. Kore, this. Sore, that thing near you. Are, that thing over there. Kono, this noun here. Sono, that noun near you. Ano, that noun over there. Hon, book. Jeshu, dictionary. Zashi, magazine. Shinbun, newspaper. Noto, notebook. Techo, pocket notebook. Meishi, business card. Kado, card. Terihon kado, telephone card. Inpitsu, pencil. Boro pen, ballpoint pen. Shapo pensiru, mechanical pencil. Kagi, kei. Toke, watch or clock. Kasa, umbrella. Kaban, bag or briefcase. Kaseto, tipo, cassette tape. Tipo recorder, tape recorder. Terebi, television. Radio, radio. Camera, camera. Computer, computer. Jidusha, automobile or car. Chokoe, desk. Isu, chair. Chocorito, chocolate. Kuhi, coffee. Ego, the English language. Nihongo, the Japanese language. Naninagi-go, language. Nan, what? So, so. Shigaimasu, no it isn't, or you are wrong. So desu ka, I see, or is that so? Ano, well, hono kimchi desu, it's nothing, or it's a token of my gratitude. Dozo, please, or here you are. Domo, well, thanks. Domo arigatou gozaimasu. Thank you very much. Kore kara o sewa ni naromasu. I hope for your kind assistance hereafter. Kochira koso yoroshiku. I am pleased to meet you too. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe Japanese Learning Hub. God bless.